Hello friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Solenoid valve are very important instruments in process industries. But many of the people are confused in selection of their design, whether they select NO or NC. So today we will discuss their designs NO and NC, where we will use NO valve and where we will use NC valve. First we will discuss its basic definition. Solenoid valve is an electromagnetic valve and it is used to open or close the flow of fluid or gas. Basically, it has three main parts. The first one is coil, the second one is plunger, and the third one is spring. The supply is given to coil. The work of plunger is to move. It moves in upward direction or in downward direction. And third one is spring. When the supply is given to the coil, the plunger moves in upward or in downward direction, and according to the movement of the plunger, flow passes or stops. Basically, it has two designs. The first one is NO and the second one is NC. First, we will discuss NO valve details. Look friends, if we talk about NO, N means normally and O means open. It is also called normally open valve. Basically, solenoid valve has two states. The first one is de-energized state and the second one is energized state. In de-energized state, the supply is not given to the coil and this is the normal position of the valve. So, when the supply is not given to the coil, valve remains in open position. Here you can see when supply is not given to the coil, the valve remains in open position. Plunger remains in upward direction and valve opens and the flow of fluid passes through it. And when we provide the supply to the coil, the supply is given from here, and when the supply is given, plunger moves in downward direction. Okay, and it stops the flow of fluid. Now it remains in the closed position. So when the supply is not given, it remains in open position, and when the supply is given, it remains in closed position. So this is the simple working of NO valve. Now we will discuss NC valve detail. Here N means normally and C means closed. When this valve is in de-energized state, it remains in closed condition. In de-energized state means when the supply is not given to the coil, this valve remains closed. And in that condition, plunger remains in downward direction and it stops the flow of fluid. Because flow of fluid is not passed from the valve in normal condition, so this valve is known as normally closed valve. Look friends, if you want PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Now we will discuss the energized state. In energized state, the supply is given to the coil, and when supply is given to the coil, plunger moves in upward direction. When plunger moves in upward direction, valve opens and flow of fluid is passed through it. So this is the simple working of normally closed valve. Now we will discuss some comparisons between these valves. Without power, NO valve remains open and NC valve remains closed. And when the power is applied, NO valve remains in closed position and NC valve remains in open position. And if we talk about power consumption, NO valve consumes low power because NO valve remains in open position when the supply is not given. When we need to close the valve, we will provide the supply to the coil and valve will close. But in NC valve case, the power consumption is high because we need to give the supply to the valve to open the valve. So the power consumption is high in NC valve. If we talk about safety condition, flow continues in this valve and flow stops in NC valve. The most important is application. NO valves are used in emergency systems and NC valves are used in control systems. Now here is a quick memory trick. We can easily remember this. NO means no power needed for flow. That means in normal condition valve remains open. And NC means need current to open. That means in normal condition valve remains in closed position, and when the supply is given to the valve, it remains in open position. I think it is clear to you. So friends, that was our video. If you want more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching the video.